What's up? Welcome back to another episode. Last time you watched, you saw a bunch of stuff and things happen. You see that? See that? We're hopping out. I'm like speechless right now. I don't even know what to say.
This is her actual natural reaction too, because I didn't send any pictures to her. So.
We're on our way back to the Sandblasters to go pick up my cab. It's in bare metal. It's going to the metal shop today. I'm gonna go see Adrian. I've never seen this truck in bare metal without anything on it. We know it's rust free. That's gonna have a different look. So, any words? Hi.
No.
We're back at R&R Sandblasting here in Riverside. My cab's here. You saw us drop it off. Let's go pick it up. So this is my dash right here. We got some dash parts and then my rad support obviously right here. So everything's prepped and ready for metal. If you noticed, on this side on the door, there's not a ton of like Bondo on the other side. So whatever happened to this truck prior, they had put a little bit of Bondo in the door here. So it's kind of interesting when you sandblast something that you learn about all the history of maybe some things that, or mysteries that happened with the truck prior. Yeah, now we know that there was some Bondo in this door. Obviously not that much, it's just a little skim. Probably getting rid of some door dings that were there. And with that,
Ain't going nowhere.
Ain't going nowhere. Dash. Little truck back there. So you might not be able to tell right now, this location is actually where we film a bunch of this versus that for Hoonigan. Which is super wild. The metal guy, Adrian, he rents a shop here. This is where my truck's going. Maybe I'll check on my truck when I'm for Hoonigan stuff. Anyways, we're gonna get a forklift, pull this off, and in it goes. Whoa.
1 minute, 37 seconds later. Much later.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna draw a little bit on the back of it right now and take a look at the design, make sure that we're happy with how it's gonna look, because we're cutting up the entire back sort of wall section of, or I say we, yeah, Adrian is cutting out the entire back wall section of the truck to get redone, and we wanna make sure that the design that's going in it is right, and that the structure points are gonna be good, and that it's what we wanna do, so.
Line right here.
Oh, this one right here?
Yeah, it'll be like that. So you'll see this.
Okay. There, it's in there. It's gonna be getting its metal work. We're really excited. We're trusting Adrian. He's good at what he does. And I'm really grateful that he wants to take on the little truck. So I can't wait to give you an update soon-ish. Okay, so you guys may have clued in already because I have mentioned it a few times. We're adding a little extra special part onto the motor for the Toyota. The 22RE is getting a little something from Garrett. If you're not familiar with Garrett Turbos. Yeah, we're upgrading and we're doing some turbo things. I'm going to be disassembling this turbo today. I'm taking it here to Revolution Engines, seeing Peter why we're disassembling it, because we're gonna do something even more special with it. Yeah, let's get into it. Carry this thing. It's kind of heavy, to be honest with you. Boom, okay. Okay, in today's episode of me learning to do things that I've never done before, we're taking this apart. It's just essentially a few bolts that are around here. Whole center section will pop out. We're gonna take off this speed sensor that's at the front because it has to go into the chrome tank because, hint hint, it's getting engraved. Then this all pops out. All right. And then do I need to take anything out?
Yeah.
It's so light now.
I'm gonna take that off.
Okay. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Oh, man. Whoop. There should be. Is that it?
That's it.
That's it. That's all. We're ready. What do these numbers up here mean?
Probably like a batch number or something, a date on their end when it was done, or some kind of control number.
Oh, okay. Kind of like the ones on the inside.
Yeah. You want to be careful with the fins.
Okay.
Not to jump them, not to...
No lie, I thought that was going to be a lot harder than it was. I thought that by taking the internals out of the turbo, that meant that a lot of things had to be more disassembled, but good news for me, that was very easy. We're taking the turbo housing to engrave it. Familiar with Engrave It? Hernan is the one who did the engraving on my Cutlass. Engraved everything from picture frames to cars to lowrider of the year. He's going to be doing some fancy stuff for my truck, which I'm really excited about. All right. Last stop of the day, we're gonna go drop this off inside to Hernan at Engrave It, and he's gonna send it out to the polisher because it has to get polished before it gets engraved. But for now, we're just dropping this off, but we'll see it again soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out the episodes as always. I really appreciate all of you guys liking, following, subscribing, all of that, dropping comments in the comment section. Without you guys, I would not be able to do what I do. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Make sure you go check out Georjah.com, grab yourself a sticker, grab yourself an air freshener, and we'll catch you on the next episode. Well, I'm just a girl with a mini truck.